No, you can't. This is a quad box opening. That's right, guys. Howdy, guys. This is your boy Scorp. What is here today? You guys should see my wife making faces at me as I'm opening this box. She probably thinks I'm a total nerd, like she says. We don't care. We're gonna open up this box, and this is January 2019 quad box. I've already opened it from the bottom, so it's easy to do it on camera. What do we have here? Just like with anything else, instructions out. Let's see, we got sticker. For a minute there, I thought that was a Best Buy logo. It's not, it's Best Box. And the same thing for the Intel logo. Pretty clever, and also for the Xbox, right? Cool, like the stickers. Let's see what we got. We got some props, some 5047s. Nice. I can use all these props because I'm fixing to take my quads out for maiden flight. Now let's see what else we got. We got an antenna from Foxeer, and pretty sweet. Wow, this is tiny. I can probably use it on my whoop build. This is pretty cool. I'm liking the color. Let's take it out. Oh, this is nice. Check it out. It's got the quad box logo. Right hand. Okay, sweet. I think we're gonna use this on my cinema wood. Pretty cool. Now let's go back and take a look at the props. Yeah, again, really nothing need to be seen here. It's just cool to have more props. I think I'm gonna need them. I think I have enough props now. But it's always cool to get them. That way I don't have to purchase them, and I can always try something new. Anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about what inspired me to do these things. So I'm in the fence between whether this is worth it or not. At the end of the day, I'm going to sum it up with its personal choice. But there's one channel that I do follow from Tronich, and he gives an in-depth look at the cost evaluation of these boxes, and he does an awesome job. I'll try to put a link. You want to watch his unboxings because he's really informational. So if you want to get stats, if you want to go deep into pricing, he is the channel to watch. Anyway, there are the props. Let's push that over there. This is a nice right hand antenna too, but let's open this thing. Somebody slurping slushy over here. What flavor is that slushy, Angie?
It's wild cherry.
Wild cherry. Okay. Prankster. Okay, let's have Prankster say something. Okay. Thanks for intruding, Prankster. Here we go. Pretty sweet. So 2 antennas, both right hand. I'm really digging this small lollipop. Pretty cool. So we have that other antenna, and I'm guessing this is prize money from the box. This is the featured item, and it's a VTX from Foxeer. It looks pretty legit. So let's open it. Here we go. Okay. We got screws and a plug. Cables. Here's the VTX. Pretty sweet. It looks nice. This is an awesome box. This goes up to 800 milliwatts. Check it out, guys. This is legit. So let's go through summary. VTX from Foxeer, right? We have the Menace antenna, pretty cool. Nice. We have this tiny lollipop that we're gonna use on our cinema whoop. I think it's going to be big enough. I don't think it's too big. We'll see. It's pretty cool. Then we have our props, of course, and our stickers. So, like, subscribe if you like the content. Fly safe, have fun, keep ripping. See ya. Peace out.